Governor Umar Bago of Niger State surprised many Nigerians when he visited the Living Faith Church in Minna and declared himself a born-again. His announcement came during the church's 44th anniversary celebration on Sunday, 4th of May 2025. Governor Bago, a Muslim and known as Farmer's Governor, attended the service as a guest. While addressing the congregation, he said he had become a born-again, which is a term often used by Christians to describe a renewed spiritual life. To show support for the church, the governor donated 50 million naira and promised to build roads around the church's area.
When I walked into this church, I said to myself, it cannot be a coincidence. This is a revelation. But I have read from Genesis to Revelation. But I saw 2025, my new era. And I said, my new Naija. Amen. Please sit down. You shall obey my commandments. And I will ask Father to give you another comforter, who shall be with you forever. He is the Spirit of truth. What is happening today is the Spirit of truth. We've asked God to send the Spirit to the earth. The Spirit of the Lord is here with us. Amen.
We have the people of God under the Living Faith Church, we are Bible, to present to you these gifts. First of all, as an excellent we know the government of God to be found without a home. Thank you for the realization of family in the state. But what we present you is the one that our great grandfather used to use. And we're very reluctant to retain and sir.
People across the country have had different opinions regarding the governor's visit and statement. While some said leaders should care for everyone, saying a leader has no religion, humanity comes first. Some said it's a bait towards the next elections. These stories continue to spark debates online, especially about religion, politics, and leadership in Nigeria. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. You can as well share your thoughts in the comment box section below. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.